Hello everyone and welcome back to Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides, where hot-tastic Hot Wheels Diecast cars come to life. Now, today we're checking out one of the Hot Wheels' most futuristic original creations. This is the incredibly fast Hot Wheels Mach Speeder. Now, this isn't based on a real production car. It's a Hot Wheels original that's designed to look like the ultimate next-generation hypercar. We'll take a closer look at the packaging, design, details, learn some fun facts about the Hot Wheels originals, put through some track testing, and of course, see if the speed machine deserves a place in your collection. So, let's race and jump right in. But first up, before we open this thing up, let's appreciate this impressive packaging artwork first. This release belongs to the 2026 Hot Wheels Mainline Collection. It is marked 158 out of 250 in a mainline number. It's belonged to the Exotic Cars series and is numbered 10 out of 10 in a complete lineup. The artwork looks absolutely incredible. The illustration shows the Mach Speeder flying across the page with aggressive aerodynamics, huge rear wing, gold wheels, and futuristic styling. The bright blue Hot Wheels background makes the metallic red paint stand out even more. It immediately gives the impression that this car was built for extreme speed. Overall, this is one of the nicest cars in the Hot Wheels Exotics lineup. And apart from that, this casting doesn't have a flame stamp, and its packaging also doesn't have a treasure hunt or super treasure hunt icon. Alright, anyway, time to free it from the blister pack. And straight away, the metallic paint sparkles under the lights. Now, let's talk about design and details. The Hot Wheels Mach Speeder looks like something straight out of the future. Now, instead of copying a real vehicle, Hot Wheels designers created an original fantasy hypercar inspired by Le Mans races, Formula 1 technology, and even, of course, electric hypercars. This version features deep metallic red paint, satin black racing stripe running down the center, gold 5-spoke wheels, massive rear diffuser, huge rear wing, extremely low ride height, wide aerodynamic body, large front splitter, air tunnels along the sides, sculpted cockpit canopy, and racing-inspired wheel arches. The proportions are incredibly fast. Overall, everything about this car is designed to suggest maximum speed. Now for the color, the metallic burgundy red finish looks fantastic, absolutely fantastic, because it combined with black stripe, gold wheels, and black aero parts. It creates a premium race car appearance. It almost looks like a concept car from the future. Now for the detailing. Even as a mainline, there's plenty to admire. Highlights include large rear wing, aerodynamic side intakes, detailed body sculpting, gold wheel choice, low profile stance, and racing cockpit shape. Like many Hot Wheels mainlines, the front and rear lighting graphics are simplified, but the casting itself is packed with interesting shapes and curves. Now about the real car, unlike the Dodge Charger or Datsun 620 that we've unboxed and reviewed in both of my previous videos, the Mach Speeder isn't based on a real vehicle. Instead, it's one of the Hot Wheels' own original fantasy creations and castings. Mattel designers create fantasy vehicles to imagine what the future of racing and transportation could look like. many Hot Wheels originals have become fan favorites because they combine creativity with excellent track performance. And for the educational fact, did you know when Hot Wheels launched in the year 1968, they featured both real cars and fantasy cars. Fantasy models gave designers complete freedom to create vehicles that could never exist in real life. Today, many collectors like me worldwide actively seek Hot Wheels originals because they're unique to the brand itself and they often become iconic castings in their own right. And now, it's time for the real challenge, the track testing. Now, how does the Mach Speeder perform well on a Hot Wheels track? Let's find out and see for ourselves. Now, let's count down with me together. 3, 2, 1, go! Awesome performance. Now, since this casting has performed well on the track out there, here are the results for this one anyway. Now, test 1 straight speed. The Mach Speeder accelerates beautifully thanks to its smooth wheels and aerodynamic body, which gives it 5 out of 5 stars for straight speed. Now, test 2 loops. It flies through loops with excellent balance. It has been given out another 5 out of 5 stars. For test 3, banked curves. The wide stance helps keep it planted around corners, which gives it another 5 out of 5 stars. Test 4, jump sections. It launches cleanly and usually lands perfectly, which gives it 4 out of 5 stars. And finally, test 5, boosters. The lightweight body handles boosters extremely well, which gives it 5 out of 5 stars. By which I mean the overall track performance for the Mach Speeder has been given out 10 out of 10 stars. And apart from that, this car is also a good performer on straight tracks, loops, and boosters and launches. Now, for the track compatibility, the Mach Speeder performs excellently on orange track, launches, loop kits, booster tracks, corkscrews, race crates, ultimate garage or garage if you're American, roller raceway, and of course, multi-lane racing sets, and so much more. One of the better fantasy castings for actual racing. Now for the collectibility, the Mach Speeder has become one of the better known Hot Wheels originals. Collectors like me worldwide enjoy futuristic styling, fantastic colors, racing appearance, and excellent track compatibility. It's especially popular among fans who enjoy fantasy castings rather than licensed vehicles. Now for the fun factor, this car is simply fun. Whenever you're racing, displaying, or collecting, it looks fast even when sitting still. Kids love its speed, and adult collectors love its futuristic design. That's a winning combination. Now, let's wrap it up with my final thoughts. The Hot Wheels Mach Speeder perfectly represents everything fun about Hot Wheels originals. It's imaginative, incredibly fast on track, and it has one of the coolest futuristic designs in the 2026 Hot Wheels lineup. Even though it isn't a real car, it proves that Hot Wheels doesn't need a real manufacturer to create an excellent casting like this one. So if you enjoy racing cars as much as displaying them, this is definitely the one to pick up. Now, as for the pros, fantastic futuristic styling, excellent metallic paint, gold wheels look premium, outstanding track performance, great fantasy casting, lightweight and fast, excellent display piece, ideal for fans and collectors, and smooth rolling wheels. And for the cons, they have minimal front and rear painted and printed details. They have plastic base rather than metal. The fancy casting may not appeal to collectors who only collect licensed real cars, and they also have no opening parts because this is a mainline stand only. And finally, for the final ratings, the card artwork is 10 out of 10, design another 10 out of 10, detailing 9 out of 10, track performance 10 out of 10, and collectability 9.5 out of 10, as well as fun factor 10 out of 10, which means the overall rating for the Hot Wheels Mach Speeder is 9.8 out of 10 stars. And apart from that, this car is also officially 100% track approved. So that's the unboxing and review video for Hot Wheels Mach Speeder. It's fast, it's futuristic, and it's definitely the one that every collectors and fans like me would appreciate this casting. Now thanks for watching Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides. If you enjoyed today's unboxing and review video, then please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another hot-tastic Hot Wheels unboxing, review, epic track test, and so much more. And also, which Hot Wheels original is your favorite? Is it this one or something else? Let me know in the comments below. Now as always, this is Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides. Keep racing, keep collecting, and I'll see you in the next ride. Peace, happy collecting, and always remember, stay hot-tastic.